Welcome back. You are looking once again at the sales funnel overview for information product businesses. And once again, this is a model that generates perpetual cash flow when you understand it and you're able to execute it. Now you might ask, why is this model so important? Why is this one that you must master? And basically, the reason is that no one product can make you rich. It is an entire system of selling products and services, even on one launch, that will make you rich, that will generate significant income. Now, you are basically looking at a system where you're seeing upsells. You're seeing a front-end product and you're seeing 3 upsells. Now, regardless, your prospect will see 4 relevant offers. And that's really the power in the system. Once that buyer actually comes through your system, they're already going to be in a buyer's trance. They will have already purchased your front-end product. They will have already gone through the process of getting into their PayPal, pulling out their credit card, and they'll be in an open mode. They'll be open to making another purchase. And that really is the best time to present your best offers to them relevant to the offer that you were able to get them to buy the first time. Now, the entire system, when executed correctly, will likely, now obviously no one can make guarantees on what you're going to be able to do, but it's likely you can increase your sales by 20 to 50%. And in some cases, this system can increase your sales over 100%. So whatever you're able to generate on the front end, when you add up all the other upsells, you might be able to double that with this system. Now, regardless of what you call it, you're not necessarily showing a down sell. Your buyer, and here's the way to think about this, your buyer, your prospect, they're seeing 4 offers. They're seeing 4 relevant, different kinds of offers through this process that they're actually going to have. They're actually going to have it brought into your system through a targeted traffic method. Now, you're going to show them all 3 upsells, all 3 additional offers before they get to the download page. You're going to show them these offers while they're still in that buyer's trance. You might have even seen this process when you've actually gone through a buying process in internet marketing. You're going to execute that very same process. And remember, regardless of what you generate on the front end in terms of your sale, this can increase your sales, almost double what you're able to do in terms of numbers on the front end. Now, here's probably one of the key principles in this. Understand that if you bring someone through 4 different opportunities to buy, and let's say that you actually do double the number of sales you generate, well, this presents a significant opportunity for your affiliates, and they recognize that. Because it maximizes their opportunities, and you're able to show this to them, see, experienced affiliates with large lists, this gives them a very good reason to want to get involved with you. When they understand your offer, and they understand that they're going to have the opportunity to profit 4 times, well, that's a good opportunity for them, and it's one that if they like your offer, they'll be likely to want to get involved. So you want to be able to execute this entire system. You want to be able to commit to putting a product in place, but also to put together a system of offers that literally give your affiliates the opportunity to promote and your buyer the opportunity to buy multiple times. Now, we're going to go deeper into this model in the next overview video, but now you understand why the model is important, why it works, and why it's going to generate significant income for you. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.